So for the sake of you tubers, I've got you hung on a string around my neck with my DJI Action 2 camera, which is waterproof up to 35 feet or something like that. I've got a life jacket on. I've got one of those wrist straps that you can attach to your ankle. I didn't put that on here. You know, if I was in a place where there were other boats around, I might do that, but I'm kind of back in this cove. There's nobody here but me, and you know, if I came off the board with a life jacket on, I would float. I want to come over here and look. Dixie is interested in getting a mimosa tree. I saw one when I was out with y'all the other day growing right along the bank here, a small one. And I was thinking we could dig up for her. Here it is right there. Now, I want to be a little careful as I get close to these rocks, because if I fell off and, you know, hit on those rocks, I could hurt myself that way. I think about, you know, where would I land if I fell off. Like out here where it's deep, it wouldn't matter. But there's a mimosa leaf right there. So I know I could come over and dig that little tiny tree up for her, which I think I'll do, but not today. Today it's all about the board. This is new to me. Oops, I got a little imbalance. One thing that I remember reading is they said don't look down. As long as you keep your eye on the horizon, pretty easy to keep your balance. But if you start looking down, that makes it more difficult. I've also seen people talk about using the oar rather than slipping it from side to side to turn it like I'm doing now. Paddle it on one side and kind of bring it back and use it like this, which it does make a better ride. It's worth, I started to say it's worth just riding here and kind of looking down at the fish, but then if I'm looking down, remember what I said a while ago, don't look down. So I suppose I could easily enough sit down on the board, which I think I'll do. Getting up on it wasn't too hard. Getting back down on it shouldn't be too hard. I'm on one knee, I'm on the other knee. I'm gonna literally kind of open my legs and put a leg over the side, I think, or maybe I'm not. Maybe instead I'll tuck my foot up underneath me and sit Indian style, like this. Oh, yeah. Now that's very steady. Now from here, I could do what I was telling y'all. I could ride along and look down at the fish beds and things, and that's something that I want to do. I want to kind of go fishing on this thing. Well, I got my camera running right there. I hope it's still running, and I got you guys running right here. So hopefully between the two here, we can get a little view of what I've been doing. It's a bit muddy right in here. We usually use this over here as a beach. Maybe I should. This might be a little less muddy over here. Maybe I should come over here and get on and off of it this way. We'll see if it's better here. And I might move the camera, not the camera I'm wearing. Well, I might move the camera I'm wearing, put it on a tripod and leave it on the bank. Well, you can come right literally up to, see, right up to the right up to the edge here, have a seat, and get up. Oh, that worked. Okay, that was fine.